Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best 4K rearview dash cam in this video? I will show you the top 5 best 4K rearview dash cam to buy right now on your budget. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5 is Wolfbox G900. Specifications. Brand name, Wolfbox. Pixels, 1200 mega. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Display, IPS. Display size, 12 inch. Aperture, f1.5. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Max external memory, 512 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 3. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 1.3 kilograms. Number 4 is Asdome PG17. Specifications. Brand name, Asdome. Pixels, 500 mega. Camera resolution, 2560 by 1440. Display size, 10 inch. Aperture, 1.8. Warranty, 1 year. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 150 degrees. Max external memory, 128 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Interface, AVIN USB 2.0, micro SD, TF. Battery, built-in. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech. As the item number 3 we've selected, new DDPAI Z90 Master. Specifications. Brand name, PAI. Pixels, 800 mega. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Display, IPS. Aperture, f1.75. View angle, 135 degrees. Max external memory, 512 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678. Chipset manufacturer, Silicon. Warranty, 1 year. Number 2 is 70mm 4K Cam-T800. Specifications. Brand name, 70mm. Pixels, 800 mega. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Display, IPS. Display size, 3 inch to 5. Aperture, f1.7 plus 4G3p. View angle, 146 degrees. Max external memory, 512 gigabytes. Number of lenses, 3. Imaging sensor, Sony STARVIS 2 IMX678. Chipset manufacturer, NT98530. Interface, Wi-Fi, micro SD, TF, Bluetooth. Warranty, 1 year. Weight, 0.991 kilograms. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Baseus 4K-Cam VD1 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, Baseus. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Pixels, 800 mega. Display, IPS. Display size, 3 inch. Aperture, f2.0. Screen ratio, 4:3. View angle, 140 degree front, 120 degrees rear. Max external memory, 256 gigabytes. Imaging sensor, Sony IMX335. Chipset manufacturer, Novatech.